y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Okay y'all, so the mail lady literally just brought this. It's Glossybox, like maybe 5 minutes ago, like it just happened. And I need to film another 2 or 3 unboxings anyway, so I figured I would go ahead and do this one first since it was literally right on top. But since it's such a little box, I put it on top without even thinking about it, so yeah. Even though it's not the first one I got the other 2 yesterday, so I guess we're just going to get on into this. And this will be the last Glossybox I get for a while. I did cancel it. It was $21 a month, which was not a huge deal, but then again, it does add up. I did cancel 3 or 4 of my subscriptions. There was 1 or 2 that I couldn't cancel because I do them annually. But there's a few that I won't cancel just because I love them so much. So, and for video's sake. So, but I just found that the last few boxes of Glossybox that I wasn't enjoying per se. So, and I just feel like almost every other time I was saying, I'll just let my niece play with that or whatever. And it's just not worth it to pay the kind of money to not love the samples, you know? However, with that being said, if you love your boxes, then... However, with that being said, if you love your boxes, then I am so glad. I just have bills to pay. And if I'm not loving the box, why not just keep the money? And I'm sorry that the very beginning of this video is going to be me being almost a negative Nancy, and I'm not trying to be. I'm just letting y'all know that this will be the last Glossybox that I get for a few months at least. So, however, the box is cute. It looks like a little love letter sealed with a kiss. That's really cute. Okay. Oh, how cute. Little postcard. Okay, and then there's the little book, and I'll read that in a second. Okay, and the first thing I see in here is a face mask, which I do love. It's a Pore Rosehip Mud Sheet Mask. Have y'all tried this? If you have, let me know. Oh, I was about to say, oh dear, it's all in Japanese, but it's not. Half of it is, and half of it's not. So, okay, I'm excited to try this. Watch, as soon as I cancel it, this box will be great. Would be my luck, but it's okay. I still need to chill out for a few months, because I have, during the holidays, our fridge and stove went out, so we had to go and buy both of those. So, yeah, you can imagine the price tags on that. And, yeah, so that's another reason why I'm just canceling the ones that I'm not that fond over. Okay, the second thing I see is the Slant Tweezer Pick-a-Pinch Diamond Precision Beauty Tools. So it's just tweezers. That's awesome. You can always use tweezers, for sure. They're pretty color, too. They're like rose gold, coppery. Alright. Definitely put those to use. And the next thing I see is a lip liner. Now this was one of the spoilers I saw when I went to cancel it. However, I had already been charged, so I couldn't cancel it for this month, but I did cancel it for March. So I saw this, and I actually am happy about this. It's the Deuce, which if y'all have been watching my videos in the past few months, then y'all know that Deuce has been kind of a hit or miss for me. I don't like their palette, but this is, I do love lip liners, and I'm hoping I like this. This is the Deuce lip definer pencil in the color Era, I don't know. This is really pretty. Ooh, that goes really pretty. I'm gonna put that in my bag and use that today. And the second thing I see is a scrubby lip. Ooh, okay, sugar lip scrub. I'm excited about this. I'm out of mine. Of course, I did just purchase one, but, yeah, okay, I'm excited about that. I'm going to have to use that. Have y'all tried this? If you have, let me know. That's a pretty good size tube of that, too. Okay, and the next thing I see is, oh really? John Masters Organics Geranium and Grapefruit Body Wash and Body Milk. Oh, that's awesome. I'll have to try those. Have y'all tried these? If you have, let me know. Okay, and it says sealed with a kiss. Okay. John Masters Organics Body Wash and Geranium and Grapefruit featured in that size of 650 in the body milk, of course. Time to get refreshed. This fruits and flowers infused body duo will leave you feeling like a new woman, featuring fragrant essential oils including geranium, grapefruit, and lavender. This rich foaming body wash and gentle creamy moisturizer will leave your skin refreshed and senses invigorated. Huh. Alright, and then there's a little coupon code on here for 20% off your order and free shipping at johnmasters.com with the code GLOSSY18 until April 15th. And JJ Young mud sheet mask. Masks will vary. Okay, I could have gotten a couple of them. And one mask is $5. Not horrible. Behold the power of nature. This K-Beauty 3D sheet mask delivers ingredients from the earth-like green tea leaf extract, rosehip, and charcoal directly into your pores and banish. I'm tired. Can you tell? Directly into your pores to banish impurities, minimize moisture. If you're still here, thank you. Okay, it basically helps to minimize moisture loss and help fight signs of aging. Dear God, 3 sentences took me 10 minutes. And the lip liner by Deuce, I don't know, lip definer pencil, and the colors will vary. Full size is $20. Long wearing and super pigmented, this gorgeous lip liner glides on without tugging or pulling, leaving behind a rich velvety finish. Mwah. Okay. Okay, and Pick and Pinch. The pink metallic slant. Yeah, pink metallic slant tweezer. That retails for $20. Wow. Featuring a gorgeous rose gold finish, these sturdy tweezers were designed with diamond precision to help you grab even the tiniest of hairs with ease. With sharp edges and narrow tips, this will quickly become your new favorite beauty tool. Okay. And Royal Apothic, I don't know. Basically the lip scrub. Retails for $14. Cold weather does notorious things to our lips. To keep your palate looking smooth and perfectly plump, use this gentle but effective lip scrub, which utilizes natural sugars to banish dryness for good. Okay. And to use that, it says massage the formula into your lips with a firm circular motion, wiping away with a tissue. Apply your favorite lip balm after scrubbing for best results. And then, of course, it gives like a little sneak peek and whatnot, which I won't get because I did cancel it, but you know. Alright. And that is it for that unboxing. I just figured I would go ahead and do it and not wait for the rest of them because that one actually shipped pretty early. They probably did that because I was canceling it, but it's okay. But yeah, I'll have a couple more coming in because I think I got charged for all of them anyway, except Allure. I don't think I'll be getting Allure because I didn't get charged for it. So, alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what I haven't down below that you would like to see. And yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new, please remember to hit that little red subscribe button down at the bottom and like and share and comment. And I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please come back to my channel on those days for new content. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.